These are 10 best free Quest 2 games of November. First, we have Glassbreakers. It's a top-down Moss RPG from that one platforming rodent game. You have different characters with different powers and you get to fight each other. This game has great graphics, and if you like MOBA games like Dota and League of Legends, then you're gonna like this game in Moss. It's fun, it looks alright, it's not my type of game. Stay until the end of the video to see the most underrated game that you have to play this month. Mirewood Manor. It's a story multiplayer horror game where you are in a manor or a mansion. It's really the same thing, it doesn't matter, okay? You are the main character who came to investigate some random incident that has absolutely nothing to do with you, but just for the game it does. It's a 10-hour long game. I'm not playing VR for 10 hours, okay? The graphics are, they're alright. You can hop in your friends if you have any. You can do up to 3 players, so a 4-player lobby. And then this game has player levels and all this cool stuff, I guess. You can go ahead and try it. Revomon. It's in the name. It's a Pokemon copy that is not like Digimon. Please put respect on Digimon. It's pretty much where you get alien looking animals and you get Pokeballs and you try to save them or you fight them, just like Pokemon. Turn-based attacks. If you like Pokemon, this is for you, but you guys are probably too young to be liking Pokemon. That's an old man genre. There's people my age. You can customize and everything. You can trade, you can chat, you can play with friends. You can even fight your friends, and I'm talking about inside the game, by the way, not outside the game, okay? If you guys want to be a part of the movement to become the most professional Quest users, then subscribe to be a part of this growing community. I know you guys are very smart. MiniGolf Aeons. It's exactly what you expect. It's mini golf in VR. Nothing too shocking. There are different modes like solos and multiplayer. Nothing special. The graphics are all right. There are 4 different courses. There's a snowy one, there's a grass one, and the other 2 I don't know. The game brags about natural physics. I don't know what other type of physics there are. They also brag about good sound. I hope. It's fun game to play. 4 maps. It's all right. Next we have Bounty City. What the heck is a Bounty City? It's an FPS game where 3 different teams try to get a suitcase. Instead of it being team versus team, it's team versus team versus team. The game looks interesting, and these graphics are absolutely breathtaking, never seen before. They're horrible. I'm sorry. Trash. The weapons are modeled pretty nicely from what I've seen from the trailer, but the game looks too trash for me to indulge. Next, we have Open Brush. Guys, this Open Brush is for my artists out there. It's a drawing game in VR. You can literally draw whatever you want. I mean, unless they force you to draw something else. You can draw whatever you want. I'm supposed to say the only limit is your mind and stuff like that, but you know, you guys don't care. It's interesting. Move on. Republique VR. It's for my French people out there. It's a horror VR game with a very interesting storyline. It has cool graphics and a cool art style, even though the character models look complete whack. There are a bunch of puzzles to complete, and it's a top-down game just like Moss, and I am not a fan of top-down games in VR. They should never exist. I don't know who thought it was a good idea. You know what I'm saying? It's not my favorite. You can go ahead and try if you want to. Let me know in the comments down below. Next, we have Attack on Quest. Now, Attack on Titan right now is popping. Pretty sure it finished, and it's an Attack on Titan game where you fly around and slash titans. Do not play if you get motion sick too easily, man, okay? Go sit on the floor if you have to. Sit on your bed and then play the game. Don't try to be like me. No one is as cool as me. It's multiplayer. You can play with friends. You can fight a bunch of bosses like the colossal giant titan, or you know, the other ones. I don't watch the anime fully. The game is always updated. Literally, they have major updates, and this is a cool game. Unfortunately, since the show's ended, I think the popularity of this game is only going to go down maybe a little bit. I don't know. Next, we have the game that 99% of my viewers watch. Gorilla Tag. Gorilla Tag is a game where you are a gorilla with no arms. What the heck? G-Tag is a game where you are a gorilla with arms and no legs, trying your hardest not to get tagged. I mean, it's in the name, Gorilla Tag. The graphics are absolutely trash, but it actually adds to the game, which makes the graphics good. It flips the thing. It's a huge community, so if you want to get to this game, there are an endless amount of little kids who want to play this game. So if you're above the ages of like 25, good luck finding somebody else your age. This game will last a couple more years, few more years at least. I can see it. The viewership is high, so if you want to sink hours into a game and get really good at it, this is the one. Finally, the game you have been waiting for, Grapple Tournament VR. It's a game that is completely based off of movement. You have a gun and you have a grapple, and you move around, flying around, trying to shoot people while at the same time trying not to get motion sick. You know, the game used to cost money, but now it's free. Thank you, Lord. It's an arcade action shooter. It's amazing for quick little play sessions if you don't want to blah 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 blast people. Looks fun, but I will not play it because I don't want to get sick. Rest in peace, Echo VR. Man, that's what. If you enjoyed the video, let me know, please. Thank you so much.